Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube TV on Vizio TV step by step clearly. To activate YouTube TV on your Vizio TV, begin by turning on your Vizio TV. Ensure that your TV is connected to the internet. Locate the YouTube TV app on your TV. If you don't see the app, you may need to download it from the Vizio Smart TV App Store. Once you find the app, select it to open. On the login screen, choose the option to sign in. You will see a unique activation code displayed on your screen. Now, grab your smartphone or computer and open a web browser. Visit the YouTube TV activation website. Enter the activation code displayed on your Vizio TV into the text box on the website. Click on the Next button. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Use the same Google account associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Once signed in, your account will be linked to the activation code. Return to your Vizio TV. In a moment, the YouTube TV app will refresh. You should now see your YouTube TV account loaded on the screen. You are now ready to start watching your favorite shows and channels. Enjoy your streaming experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.